Hi everyone, today we're going to be looking at composite functions. The lesson goals for today are to know the definition of composite functions as well as to determine some composite functions. What is a composite function? A composite function is a function written inside another function. Now, for our first example on determining composite functions, we've been given the equations for f of x and p of x, which we are told to use to determine f composite p. The equation for f of x is x to the power of 4, and the equation for p of x is 5x plus 2. To tackle this question, we have to substitute the second function into the first. In this case, f of x is the first function and p of x is the second, so we have to substitute p of x into f of x function, and that looks like f of 5x plus 2. Then we need to solve for the first function after substituting. So we've substituted p of x into this function, so we have to solve for this function. So that would be equal to 5x plus 2 to the power of 4, which gives us this equation. For our second example, we will be using the same equations for f of x and for p of x, but this time we have to determine an equation for p composite f. Following the same steps as the first example, we first substitute the second function into the first. The first function is p of x and the second is f of x, so we have to substitute f of x into p of x, which looks like p of x to the power of 4. Now that we've substituted, we have to solve for the first function. So to solve for p of x, we substituted f of x, which was x to the power of 4. So now we have reduced it to 5x to the power of 4 plus 2. And that gives us our final answer. Some real-world applications of composite functions include in finance. In finance, a bank can use a composite function when calculating the growth of an investment over time. Secondly, it can also be used in medicine when determining the concentration of a drug in the bloodstream. Factors such as the drug concentration over time and the effects of the dosage administered can both be considered using a composite function. This brings me to the end of my video. Thank you for watching.